fact, you could probably see Wisconsin from here. We're pretty beat down from the road. I'm feeling pretty good about being in Illinois. You're right. Viewer discretion is advised. This is a brisket sandwich.
Yeah, it's good clean water too for them. Perfect.
That's pretty cool looking. I got you back there. I got you. You just ride along, okay? See the goose? Super goose. Yeah! That's a big puppy. Go, run, he's gonna get us. There he is, go, mush, there he is. Yeah. Mush, yeah. Mush, come on, mush. No, wait, no, you do not do that. All right, now mush, we're gonna go. I don't.
I love the dogs, man.
Thank you.
Yeah, I'm kind of well in that situation.
Do a sub, yeah.
Help you as much as I can.
Yeah. Bum 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 bum. Gotta bum bum bum. Hip, pick one. There you go. Good boy. I thought yesterday was the best day. Damn day of my life. Best damn day of my life. Oh, God, I just caught some air.